In a field bathed in sunlight, little yellow chicks chirp, their laughter echoing. Under the radiant sun, the chicks play freely on the grassy field, their joyful antics filling the air with life. Be careful, little ones. Don't go too far, Mother Hen warns, her voice filled with protective concern. One chick slips and falls into the hole. Mama, Mama! The mother runs over, distressed. Under a sky cloaked in dark clouds, rain begins to fall, each drop a hammer blow against the earth. Through the heavy rain, a white dog races across the field, his eyes shining with courage. The white dog leaps into the abyss. One by one, the devoted dog lifts each chick to safety, a gentle savior in a moment of crisis. The little yellow chicks huddle, safe beneath their mother's warm wings. You saved my children's lives. I can never thank you enough. The white dog stands in the field, bathed in sunlight, surrounded by a flurry of affectionate chicks.